Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today we're going to be talking about which of these flagship INIU portable chargers is best for you. INIU makes some of the absolute best portable chargers you're going to find anywhere. They've been doing it for years, and they've basically perfected it. And every one of these are great, but they each have different features, and which one is right for you is going to depend on your use case scenario. So we're going to talk about all the features they have in common, and then I'm going to talk about each one and sort of the unique features of that one to help you figure out which one is best for you, or maybe for someone else if you're getting it as a gift. So first of all, let's talk about the things that all their chargers have. All their chargers have a 3-year INIU Care warranty that comes with them, and that's because they have a chip built into this that monitors the temperature of these so that they don't degrade over time, so that they will last. And so you get that 3-year INIU Care with all of these chargers, which is great. Also, they all have this really cool wrist lanyard that's not just a lanyard, because look at this. You take it out and now you have a Type-C to Type-C cord. So you have a charging cord built into the charger as a little lanyard. Now they do have a separate little cord here as well that you can use if you're hanging this on something. But yeah, it's just awesome that they have that, and every one of these chargers have that feature, which is great. Also, all of these chargers are airline approved. So if you're traveling and you want to take this with you, you're flying somewhere, all of these chargers by INIU are airline approved and will be great for airlines. So those are the things they all have in common. They all, again, are really excellent chargers, but let's talk about the uniqueness of each one. So first, I'm going to talk about the one I have in my hand. This is the P41. This is a 10,000 mAh charger. It is very small. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand. It's about 4.3 inches tall by 2.7 inches wide and just over ½ an inch thick, so not too thick at all. And this one has 3 ports, USB, and 2 USB Type-C ports. It is capable of 45 watt PD fast charging out of a single port. So you could use this to fast charge an iPhone or a Samsung phone or Pixel phone, which is great. You could also even use this to charge a laptop. 45 watts may not be the ideal for a laptop, but it would charge a laptop. 45 watts is enough power to charge a MacBook or a PC laptop, which is really cool. You also can charge 3 devices at once. Now, if you charge 3 devices at once, you're not getting 45 watts out of each one of these. That's for a single port. But if you have 3 devices you need to charge, you can charge up to 3 devices using all 3 of these ports at the same time. Another little nifty feature this has is an LED on there, so you can use it as a flashlight if you need to. And then it has this little paw print that lets you know how much of a charge you have. Each little section is at 20%. So if they're all lit, you're 100% charged. If only one is lit, you're at 20%. So you have that indicator as well. So that's the P41. Then you have the P62. Now this is sort of the big guy of the group. This is a 20,000 mAh power bank. So 20,000 mAh, that is a ton of power that is built into this, and still fairly small. I mean, you can see it still fits in the palm of my hand. This one's about 4.3 inches tall by 2.7 inches wide and only 1.1 inches thick. So still fairly small for 20,000 mAh, which is really, really excellent. Now this one has some cool features. It has dual fast charging out, so you can fast charge 2 things at one time. You have 2 USB-C and 1 USB, so you can charge 3 devices at once, but fast charging, you can charge 2 devices fast charging at one time, and this one is capable of up to 65 watts of PD3 fast charging. PD 3.0, 65 watt fast charging. That is amazing out of a portable charger. So this for sure will charge a laptop, a MacBook with no problem. It will fast charge your iPhone, your Samsung Galaxy or Pixel phone. It'll fast charge an iPad. Really excellent. And the fact that you can be fast charging 2 things at one time, so you can 45 watt fast charge out of one port and 65 watt fast charge out of the other port at the same time. So you can be charging your MacBook and and fast charging your iPhone at the same time, which is really, really awesome. Very, very cool. And it also has a display here that shows you exactly how much battery power you have from 0 to 100%. You'll always know exactly how much power you have with that display. This also has fast charging in. It will charge up to 45 watt of fast charging in. So you can super fastly charge this charger itself. When it runs out of power and you need to charge it up, if you use a 45 watt charger, you will super fast charge this charger, which is really cool. Next, let's talk about the P50. This is the tiniest, you can see, very little tiny, the P50. It is 3.3 inches tall, 2.0 inches wide, and only an inch thick. So very small, little squatty, very portable, tiny little guy, but 10,000 mAh of power. Still has 10,000 mAh power in this tiny little form factor. Also, still has 2 USB-C and 1 USB charging port at the top there. And it will do PD 45 watt fast charging out of a single port. So if you want to fast charge your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy phone, Pixel phone, you can do that, 45 watt PD charging out of a single port. It supports 20 watt charging in, and you can charge 3 devices at once if you need to. So very tiny. Also has the display, so you will always know exactly how much power you have left on this because the display will tell you exactly how much power you have. And then last but not least, we have the P73. Now, this is a MagSafe compatible wireless charger. It is again a 10,000 mAh charger, and it has Qi2 wireless charging, capable of 15 watt fast wireless charging for compatible devices. Besides that, it does still support 45 watt PD fast charging out of the USB-C port that's on there. So you can charge a single device hardwired and get 45 watt fast charging, but you can also fast wirelessly charge any device that supports it up to 15 watts of fast wireless charging, fully MagSafe compatible. In addition to all of that, it has a nice little kickstand built into the back here, so you can use it as a stand for your MagSafe compatible phone or a PixelSnap compatible phone, and it'll work great for that as well. It is capable of charging in at 27 watts. So when you charge this guy, you're going to be using, if you have the charger that's 27 watts or faster, it will charge at 27 watts charging rate. And this one is 4.2 inches tall, 2.8 inches wide, and only 0.5 inches thick. So it's very, very thin. What's cool about that is you can have this attached to your phone and still use your phone. It's not too thick for that. If you have this attached to the back of your phone, be it a MagSafe compatible iPhone or Pixel 10 phone, then you can still use your phone while it's attached to this with no problem at all. Besides the fact that you can flick out that kickstand and use this as a stand for your phone as well. So that's the features that this has. Now, which one is right for you? Which one of these is best for you? Well, it's really going to depend on your use case. If you are traveling maybe for a long distance or a long amount of time, and especially if you want to use a charger for your MacBook or a laptop, then the P62 is probably the best one because it has that 20,000 mAh. Especially the fact that you can charge your laptop, your MacBook, and still be fast charging a phone at the same time. That is a really cool feature of this. So if that's the case, if you need the extra power, if you're going to be using it a lot for charging a laptop or a MacBook, then I would say the P62 with the 20,000 mAh and the 65 watt fast charging is the one for you. If you have a MagSafe compatible phone, iPhone, and or a Pixel 10 phone with PixelSnap, then this might be the best charger because it's got that MagSafe compatibility, and the fact that it's wireless key charging of up to 15 watts, and you can still use this to charge 3 devices at once. You can be charging something wirelessly here and use the 2 USB-C ports to charge 2 other devices. So it's got a lot of capabilities, and if you have a MagSafe compatible phone, then it can be really great to attach to the phone to use for a stand, as well as using just attached to the phone while you're actually using the phone. You can be charging the phone while you're using it, which is great. So if you have an iPhone that's MagSafe compatible or a Pixel 10, then this might be the best one for you. Now, if you're looking for the smallest possible, then I'm going to say the P50. This is for those of you that want something super tiny. And this is really tiny, but it does offer 45 watt PD fast charging. And it's just, I just love how tiny it is. So it'd be easy to throw this into a purse or a bag without any problem, or a backpack, and it just doesn't take up a lot of space. You still have the ability to do 3 devices at once, and you've got that display on there, so you always know exactly how much power you have. So if you're looking for the tiniest, then this might be the best one. This does support 20 watt charging in. And that is what I'm going to say why you might want to consider the P41 for similar reasons. If you want something that's really small and slim, but you want something that maybe charges a little bit faster. This one charges at 27 watts charging in, so this one will charge up a little bit faster than the tiny one, and it's not that much bigger overall. It is bigger this way, but it's thinner, so it's very slim and slender, and therefore will also slide into a backpack or a purse without any issues at all. This can be good, especially maybe if you're someone who goes camping or something and you like having that little LED light on there. That could be a bonus. This is the only one of these that has that LED light, and that can be just something cool to have if that's something you think you might need. And it is really nice and small and portable. It does also have the 3 chargers, so that you can charge 3 things at once, but it also has the 45 watt PD fast charging of a single device. So that's good as well. So these are the 4 chargers, flagship chargers from INIU. You really can't go wrong with any of them because, like I said, INIU just makes really great products, really great chargers. You get the 3 years that you know that this is going to work without any issues at all. It's not going to degrade over that time. You're going to have full power, full charging capabilities. Every one of them have some type of indicator as far as how much of a charge, whether that's the display or the little paw print to let you know. They all support fast charging of at least a single device, with, of course, only the really big 20,000 one having that high 65 watt charging and the ability to fast charge 2 devices at once if that's what you need. But they're all excellent products. You can't go wrong whether you're getting it for yourself or getting it for a gift for someone else. INIU just makes the best portable chargers. So anyone you get, you're going to be happy with it, or if you give it as a gift, they are going to love it as well. Great products by INIU, and definitely products that I recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions about any of these chargers, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.